Rowserworld. Hello, my friend, and welcome to another drawing segment with the Rouser. So today I'm going to teach you how to do some quick little hairdos. So we're going to just kind of take this little wine glass, you'll see the one right here, and we're going to draw it on our paper like so. So this is kind of how I look at the hairdo, or look at the face shape. And I'm going to draw I'll draw like one, and then we'll draw another one here. All right. So once we have that down, we just simply take another marker here. So I have a marker that's a little bit thicker so that we can see our lines when we are drawing. Let me just move this over here a little bit for you so you can see those two wine glasses, right? All right, and then we're going to draw some hair. Okay, so we're going to draw hair on this first one here. So we're going to be drawing the hairdo that's right over here, this one right here. Okay, so what we'll do here is we'll just kind of see how the hair interacts with our shape, right? I'm going to make this shape a little bit thicker so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so that's the inner shape, and then we'll come out. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're going to draw the outer shape. Okay. So what we did right there was we created shape or cartoon head number 1, right? Okay, so that's how you put your hair on there. You want to think of a shape, and then you want to put your hair around the shape. Okay, now on this one, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to move it over, and we're going to practice this one on the end over here. I don't think this one's a very common hairdo, so I'm going to go with something that's a little bit more common. All right, and then once again, we'll see how the hair interacts with our shape. Okay, no problem, right? And then we'll come over here, and we will, if you're having problems seeing all the way from the top to the bottom, you can always do this. And then you'll come to the top and draw your hair in. And then we created cartoon lady number 2. So see here, guys, we have 2 happy ladies with 2 happy hairdos. All right. We'll be practicing some more hairdos, but this is a basic tutorial, once again, just to show you how to get the hair on your head shape. So I use, once again, a glass shape like these, and then I just come back and I'll put my hair shape on top of, or see how it interacts with my actual shape here. All right, guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope that you learned something from the video tutorial, and we'll be doing some more hairdos coming up soon. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and you guys have a blessed and wonderful evening. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.